Most developers think creating a Git branch copies all your files. It doesn't. To create a branch in Git, you have two core options. Git branch feature login creates the branch, but leaves you on your current branch. Git checkout B feature login does both at once. It creates the branch and immediately switches you to it. Here's the key insight. A branch is not a copy of your files. It's simply a lightweight pointer. Just a small file containing a commit hash. When two branches point to the same commit, they share the exact same history. That's why creating a branch in Git takes milliseconds. It's important to distinguish between creating a branch and switching to it. Git branch only creates. You stay where you are. Git checkout B creates and switches in one command. Modern Git also introduced Git switch C, which is more explicit. The C flag means create. Both are widely used today. By default, a new branch starts from your current commit, but you can specify a base. Git branch feature main starts from the main branch, and Git branch hotfix abc1234 starts from a specific commit hash. This is useful when you need to branch off a particular release point. To recap, branches are lightweight pointers to commits, fast to create and easy to switch. Use Git checkout B or Git switch C to create and switch in one step. Subscribe for more Git tips. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.